The cost for Reduced Snore is just a fraction of a dentist-made mouthpiece, but the effect has been proven to be almost the same. Plus, Reduced Snore is adjustable, which can save a lot of money if you need to make dental adjustments in the future. And it will last for years with proper care. It comes with a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee too. No wonder Swedish doctors and hospitals recommend this instant and inexpensive snoring solution. Megavent is probably the most comfortable nasal dilator on the market, and it's really inexpensive. Each insert can last up to a month, while a nasal strip from one of our competitors lasts only one night. And remember, you can combine Megavent and Reduced Snore for the ultimate in results. Together, they'll stop most snoring problems. Thanks for visiting sleepapps.com.